Welcome to the Ashoka Fellow Project. The Fellow Project is Nelson Kariuki and his organization is Rutuba Organic. Nelson is a farm manager in Kenya who is passionate on reclaiming land for high production by empowering people and sustaining management of natural resources. His organization Rutuba Organic is addressing soil conservation by providing organic fertilizers to local farmers. Rutuba is an excellent value proposition for those seeking innovative and result-oriented challenges facing farmers in Africa. From the 10 years of research and product development, Rutuba Organic is confident of solutions they bring to the marketplace, consisting of unique agricultural knowledge, product engineering, customer service, and social entrepreneurship. The use of inorganic fertilizers over years have left agricultural land all over Africa with acidic soils that have a reduced capacity to retain nutrients that plants need to grow. Yields have fallen by over 60% over the last 50 years in some areas, and food being consumed has had increasingly reduced nutritive value. The use of inorganic fertilizers have led to increasingly less productive and less fertile soils. Declining yields has led to food insecurity and poverty in the rural region. The Horn of Kenya is experiencing the worst case of famine in over 60 years, in part because there is not enough food. The use of inorganic fertilizers magnifies the problem even further over time because it leaves the soil completely degraded of nutrients and dependent on inputs to make it productive again. The purpose of this project is to encourage farmers not to use inorganic fertilizers so as to have their produce categorized as organic. Engaging in organic farming has always been of a higher value in the marketplace. The use of inorganic fertilizers help prepare the soils and build up nutritive value of organic foods. There is enough evidence that the use of organic fertilizers in rotational farming not only increases agricultural yields but also increases the nutritive value of foods. Nelson and the organization have successfully built a grassroots model for distributing of organic fertilizers. They created a product that is competitive in the marketplace. Rutuba Organic has created a composting agent called biodynamic microorganisms, also known as BDM, based on effective microorganisms, EM technology that is far more superior. Both are lab cultures of microorganisms used to enhance and speed up the decomposition of biomass in the process of producing organic fertilizers. While EM decomposes in 3 months, PDM decomposes in 3 weeks. Nelson secured a patent for the PDM and went on to use it to manufacture organic fertilizers fortified to contain 16 minerals and elements that are essential for soil health and productivity. Nelson's Fertilizers brand is by far the most complete form of organic fertilizer on the market. After many years of trial and error, its specification in terms of elements it contains has just recently been adopted by Kenya Bureau of Standards, also known as KBS, as the national standard for the production of organic fertilizers. Nelson decentralized the production of Rutuba by creating a network of production units with one in every county in Kenya. Each of these units is partly owned by youth and women groups from within the surrounding community. These same groups also source the raw materials for the production unit and participate in the distribution of finished products to the farmers in and around the community. Women are benefiting in 3 different ways: from the income earned for sourcing the raw material, the increased yields from the use of Rutuba in their own farming, and the profits earned from their shareholding in the production unit. In turn, they participate in the product distribution and promoting of its use to the farmers by educating them about the benefits of using organic fertilizers. This project is relevant because it helps to address poverty in Kenya by educating farmers on how to increase their farm produce by using organic fertilizers. Increasing the amount and quality of food definitely helps in raising the standard of living. This project has also created a number of job opportunities for women and youth. We can get involved in this project by promoting the market of organic food, helping in the funding of more research and education for farmers more in the rural regions, and finally, enacting policies and laws that will help promote the use of organic fertilizers. Thank you.